Hi viewers, welcome to Sevi Velikalvi channel. So let us see the half subtractor designing using ORCAD-PSpice simulation tool. As usual, we have to select the PSpice design manager from program. So here you can create a new workspace. So file, new workspace and give some name. So project underscore 8. Already I have selected 7 project. So I give project number 8. So and go to view tools and select the schematic. So the schematic window will appear. So in this area only you can able to draw the logic diagram. So now we are going to draw the logic diagram for half subtractor. So in this half subtractor we are in required to choose 3 gates. One is AND gate, one is XOR gate and another is inverter, that is NOT gate. So in half adder we got the result sum and carry. So sum expression is A XOR B and carry expression is A into B. So the same sum expression can be derived for half subtractor also. So instead of sum, the variable output name declare as difference. So difference is equal to A XOR B, but borrow is equal to A bar into B. So that means in carry A into B is our result. By using K-map simplification, we have got the result A into B. But in half subtractor concept, A bar B is the result. So for that, we are going to draw the logic diagram and take the different parts from this part area. So here first we can choose 7486. So and take this and place it here. So after that you can take 7404 inverter and place this here also. So one more gate 7408 AND gate. That is also taken here. Okay, now I can erase this or simply we can do undo. Otherwise, if you want to create a new file new, you just close the schematic and again you can select the new schematic. Seven four zero eight 7404 next 7486. So and finally in output side we can choose if out for output function, choose here and place two output terminals. Now you can close this window. After that take wire. So before that we have to take digit input. It is digit simulation, digit sim. Place this. It is first input and it is second input. Now this closes. Now take the wire and first input of XOR gate is now connected with first input of this stimulator and again second input of logic gate is taken here and connect with this XOR gate second pin, and inverter first line is now connected with first input of XOR, and now it is connected with the output of inverter is connected with the second pin of AND gate, and the first pin of AND gate is again connected with second pin of XOR gate. Now the connection part in input side is over, and connect it with output side. Output side connection part also over. Now you save the function. Our schematic is saved as a name schematic 4. Now I save it and I rename my input variables A. Similarly for second variable B, and my output variable difference is first output and borrow is second output. I renamed that terminal names both input and output as variables A, B and difference and borrow. Now you have to take a voltage marker both input side and output side, place it. So input side and output side voltage marker placing is over. Next you have to assign a values input timing for A parameter, that is A variable and B variable. My period is, total period is 4 millisecond and on time will be 2 millisecond. Apply and OK. Now the total full cycle time duration is 4 millisecond for input A. Again I go for B, and again the B variable values will be appear here. Change this value. The total period is 2 millisecond and on time and off time values are 1 millisecond. Apply it. So this will be appear in this graphical window for B variable, that is your second input. Now the input setting is over. Go to this setup. So here you have to choose 1 millisecond for print setup step and total period or final time. So totally we are going to make a 6 clock cycles. So the total 6 clock cycle time periods are 6 milliseconds. Close it. So after setting this, we can simulate it. So now the simulation is taken place. Now we get output. So when unfortunately if we press 2 times or 3 times this simulation button, automatically it will in queue condition. So we have to wait for some time. Now we got a result. Now both inputs are equal to 0, difference 0, borrow 0, and again first input is equal to 0, second input is equal to 1, at the time difference 1, borrow 1. So the logic 1 is represented as a high, logic high, that is logic 1 condition is appear here. and input 1, output 0. So at the time, our difference is 1 and borrow is equal to 0. For last case, both inputs is equal to 1 condition, difference 0, borrow 0. So this is the different sequence of inputs 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1 condition for both the inputs A and B. So for that we get a difference and borrow result in this output. I hope everyone understand this concept for designing of subtractor by using ORCAD-PSpice simulation tool. So it is very easy to understand. So kindly all of you go through it properly and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.